Yo, what's up, guys? Dave here from Dave's How To's, and today I'm not going to do a full how-to, but I'm going to show you what I ran into here with my washing machine. I have this pretty tight space here, but just want to show you something here. See if you can hear it. Hear that noise? Yeah, so I'm going to need to replace bearings on this washing machine. It's about 10 years old, and I'll show you the model number if you could see that. This is a Samsung front-loading washing machine. It's actually a really good unit. We do a lot of laundry, so basically I'm gonna replace, I'll show you a couple of videos along the way. It's not going to be a full how-to, there are plenty of those, but I have this pretty tight second floor laundry room, and as you can see, I already took out, I had a slop sink, which is right here, but I wanted some room in here because it's going to be a little difficult to work, so I took my door off the hinges. I took the slop sink out. We had a couple of shelves, and basically what I need to do is take the dryer off of the top of this washing machine. I got to get it out of the room, and then I can pull the washing machine out, disconnect it. Basically need to take the entire thing apart. I'll show you a couple of videos along the way, but it will not be a full how-to because there are so many of them, and to be honest with you, I am not an appliance repairman. I am super handy, and I'm going to attempt to tackle this on my own, replacing the bearings. But again, I'm not a appliance repairman, so yeah. Okay, so one of the things I'm also going to do is, you can see lints coming out of here. I have to disconnect all of this, but we're going to fully clean out this hard pipe dryer vent, and make sure everything's nice and clean when it goes back together. This time, let's see what happened. Maybe the foil tape on the inside of this came loose, and that's why there's some lint buildup that's outside the pipe. But we're gonna find out what actually happened. As you can see, it's like pretty tight back there. So should be some fun. I'll catch you back in a little bit. Yo, what's up? I'm back, and got the tub out, and there's a lot of work that's involved in taking this out. So I mean, you could save yourself quite a bit of money, but you could see, you know, there's parts here, parts here, parts here, parts here. A lot of work. So I'm going to separate the tub now. I have a bucket that basically I'm going to sit it on the floor, and then we're going to put this with this face up, and we're going to unbolt all of these bolts going around, and we should be able to split this plastic tub, and to get to the stainless steel drum that's inside, and then we can get our bearings out. This is our back bearing. Back bearing actually looks visually looks okay, but I want to see what is up with that. So that's it. So we're going to attempt to do this now, and be back in a little bit. And also, you know, got a couple couple of war wounds. It's sharp. A lot of this cutout stuff, like over here, anywhere where it's kind of raised in, this is very, very sharp in here. That's where I cut myself. So, you know, you got to be careful. But if you're handy and adventurous, and you're not afraid to dive into a project like this, you can definitely do it yourself. So, all right, we'll be back. All right, we're back, and I'll show you what we found after splitting this up. So, a few issues here. One, the seal on this failed. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell, but like in here, you can kind of see it's all like marred up. What happens is when the seal fails, water gets inside and goes in and starts rusting the bearings, and you can kind of see they got ruined. Yeah, you see all of that? So that's shot. But more importantly, this is this whole piece is called a spider arm. You can see there's holes in it, and you can see that it's all, if you can see that it's all like wet in here. It's just deteriorating. So I had to jump on to online and order a new spider arm, and it's pretty simple to replace once you get it. It'll take a few days for it to get here, but there's 6 screws just like that. So 2 here, 2 here, and 2 over there. Gonna take those out, put them in, and then we'll be able to get our bearings in and get this back together. Unfortunately, we're going to be out of our washing machine for probably a few days, and I guess once we get it, we'll what do you call it? Be able to do some laundry. What I'm going to basically do is take this all apart. Probably take it outside, spray it with some solution, and power wash this thing since it's getting nice and warm, just to keep it clean. I'll even probably power wash the inside of the tub. That's where the bearings go. There's my dog, and you can kind of see. Alrighty, so we'll be back whenever we get the parts. Yeah, what's up? I'm back, and we're about a week later. Still waiting for that spider arm, but I just want to show you all the gook that's on all of these parts. We're going to be cleaning this stuff up, and basically what I did was I just sprayed it with some bleach cleaner. You just mix it 1-to-1. This is the stuff I used. I know it says outdoor cleaner, but I've used it in several different spots. We're gonna rinse it out good. I know it works good to get off all kinds of grime and mold and everything else, but that's what I'm using. And we sprayed it down, let it sit for a little while, and now we're gonna power wash it with the little light little guy, little Sun Joe power washer, and we'll see what that looks like. Be back in a few. Okay, so after everything is cleaned, you can see it looks a lot nicer than what it looked before. And our part came. This is the new spider arm. Oh, it's kind of heavy. I just want to bring it in and put it next to the old one, just to kind of show you the difference between the two. So that's the old one. You can see broken, cracked in various places. This one looks a lot better, obviously, because this is brand new. So we're going to attempt to put this together. So literally have to take this whole damn thing apart. Not difficult, just it's a lot of work. So we got parts all in the laundry room, hallway, and in our spare room. So see what happens. I'm gonna try to get this together now. Okay, so we're back, and basically what I did was I put all the bearings in, I put the seal in, and I put the basket into the tub, and I got it sitting on a 5-gallon bucket, and I just put all the screws in to seal the tub. As you can see, spins good, no noise, and I'm gonna get ready to take this bad boy and put it into here. So we'll start with that, and I'll let you know how we make out. Alright, so got everything back together, and just wanted to show you I got this on extra high spin. You can see that there, and seems to be working pretty good. Just shine a flashlight in here so you can kind of see. So it's nice and smooth. I think we got it. So that's what it was. Spider arm and the bearings. As you can see, I gotta clean up. Gotta put my slop sink back straight off the silicone. Get nice fresh silicone on there. Get the slop sink back. Connect the dryer hose. And that's, you know, pretty much it. Got my hoses in the back here, and should be pretty good. And one thing I just wanted to point out, this is the drain hose, and see that zip tie? I actually have it zip tied to the water line, so like with back pressure it won't fly out. Could happen, but that's why I do that. And just want a little bit of safety, so the water doesn't go flying all over the place. So that's it. Spinning good, like I said. Got a couple more minutes, 4 minutes. And last time, shine the flashlight in there, you can kind of see everything is spinning real nice and smooth. Washing machine is not shaking at all. You can see, very smooth. There you go, guys. So I did my Samsung. Like I told you, it wasn't going to be a full-on how-to, but I just wanted to let you know how I made, let you guys know how I made out, and we're in good shape. So like, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see any other videos. Peace out.